How to take a debit or credit card payment on the Clover Flex. So if you're using Clover Flex simply to take payments and you're not using it for point of sale or inventory purposes, what you want to do is you want to go in the sale app. So when I click here on the sale app, you can see that I have some numeral digits that are asking me how much the transaction is. So if, for example, I want to enter a transaction for $12.95, I just type in 1295, and as you can see, the amount of $12.95 is entered. If you need to make a correction, just press this button right here and it'll erase the numbers that you dialed. So for this example, I'm going to make a transaction for 1 cent. So once you've entered the amount of the transaction that you're trying to make, you simply click here on the charge button and it'll ask the client to present his card. So they can either tap on the screen, insert the card at the bottom, or swipe it right here. So in this example, I'm gonna tap the card. And as you can see, the transaction is completed. And then it's going to ask the customer if they want a receipt. So if I just want to print the receipt, it'll print the receipt. You can put the logo at the top and with your business information, the transaction amount, and the transaction ID with all the information relating to this card transaction. And there you go. That's how you take a payment on Clover Flex.